guys, good morning na tara karon diri sa Gentle Giant Whale Shark. Na po sila and I assume and I busy of Oliver. Hi Day. Day, hi. Hi. Atin ako na under eh. Ikaw pagkulit eh. Driver man ko. Ay, Lila.
Protocol man, sunod sa protocol man. Isang pagpagalila, isang taga-Taug pa man, kinahanglan nga pang pag-tiki. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Taug Lila Whale Shark Watching. So before going to the site, life vest is mandatory. We do not encourage you to take off your life vest, but if you know how to swim, you can take off. We allow you to take off your life vest, but you have to take care of yourself. Okay? Then in swimming, we have a minimum distance to maintain, 5 meters away from its head and 6 meters away from its tail. So please, as much as possible, you are not allowed to come closer to the whale shark. If the whale shark comes closer to you, you can adjust because the whale shark is moving for the fish. Okay? Then going to the site, it takes 3 to 5 minutes to travel, and you have a maximum of 30 minutes to interacting with the whale shark, excluding the travel time. And the most important thing is you are not allowed to touch the whale shark. Because if you intentionally touching the whale shark, you will pay 5,000 pesos per penalty. Then the inclusion of your entrance fee is the boat, the life vest, the goggles with a breather, and the underwater guide. Especially the breather and the snorkeling. Please take care of it because you are liable to pay 500 pesos if you broke it or dropped it into the water. Your life vest is you can have it in the life vest area. Your goggles with a snorkeling is you can have it in the boat. Okay? Then no sunscreen, no lotions because the nostril of the whale shark is sensitive. Second, they are filter feeders. So you have a question, clarifications, and so far. So if you want to use a cell phone to take a picture of video, can you give it to the underwater guide and can you turn off the flash mode? If you have a GoPro, much better. And if you have your own gear like fins, goggles, and snorkels, much better. You can use your own. So for now, please do not hesitate to assistant or help your boatman or underwater guide. If you need help, please ask for help. So we have 3 whale sharks at the side, so I hope you enjoy. And now if you are ready, you can now proceed to the waiting area for your priority number 2. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you.